Hello guys, welcome back. And right now guys, I just want to give you guys top 3 highest paying jobs you can learn and work from home in Nigeria. Literally, these are 3 jobs which are actually brought to you guys that you guys can actually learn and start making a whole lot of money, cool cash for yourself, daily, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly. Literally, yes guys. So with that being said guys, without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. My 20 subscribers, welcome back. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and let's get into the video guys. Right now guys, I'm not going to be making this video very long. I'm just going to go straight into the platforms and showing you guys the potentials and how you can actually make this money for yourself. So literally, the first one on my list is actually being a virtual assistant. So right now I'm going to be going to my Upwork, or literally let's start from Fiverr. Literally, as you can see here, this is actually Fiverr, and all right, so you come here right now, and as you can see here, this is the search bar in Fiverr, and then you just search for the search tag called virtual assistant. So virtual all right, so as you can see, there are a whole lot of gigs for you guys to actually do. Be your executive admin virtual assistant, be your virtual assistant for all administrative. So right now guys, what is this virtual assistant? As you can see, you can make $40, $50, $10. All of these jobs are actually just per hourly, like hourly jobs. Literally, what is this virtual assistant which you can be doing? Right now I'll be jumping into Upwork again to show you guys that it's not just on Fiverr. You can literally do it up on Upwork, and you make a whole lot of money for yourself. Literally, yes guys. So with that being said, let's go to jobs. As you can see here right now, just wait for it to load up guys, and literally it's logged me out. So I'm just gonna go jumping into my Google Chrome browser and jumping into Upwork. So right now, if you just go to upwork.com, and as you can see here, this is the search bar here. So you just go there right now and search for virtual. Oh god. All right, virtual assistant. So right now you just click on the search bar, and all right, so it is actually loaded up right now. As you can see here, there's a $7 per hour. Literally all of them are hourly jobs. $7, $10 per hour, $19, $25, $35, so on so forth, even $18, $30 guys, $20, $60, $35, and so on so forth. So right now guys, what is this virtual assistant job? How can you actually do it to make a whole lot of money for yourself? Literally, I will jump into I'm going to be jumping into what is virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant is actually literally, virtual assistance means assisting someone online, literally from your home or anywhere in the whole world, anywhere you are, assisting someone to actually do follow-up emails for the person that's literally replying emails, scheduling meetings for all these people that are actually busy, for businesses, so on and so forth, and you make money for yourself. So literally, that's it. I'm not going to be making this video that long. I'm going to be jumping into the second one on my list. But if you want to actually learn more on virtual assistants, you can just come to Google Chrome here right now, and open a new tab, and then you search more on what is or how you can actually make money using virtual assistant. I literally have a full video on how to actually do virtual assistant jobs. You can check out my channel and just search for Audu virtual assistant. So right now guys, let's open up Fiverr again. I'll show you guys the next job on my list, which is no other one but social media manager. Now, social media manager is actually very good if you know how to actually do it. If you sit back, learn more about it, and grow yourself, scale up, and make more money for yourself. Literally guys, this is social media manager jobs. I just searched for it right now on Fiverr. As you can see here, this $245 you can actually make, $235, $95. These are a whole lot of people making money with their social media management jobs. This is $550. This is $800 guys. These people are making big bucks for themselves. This is $750, $200, $195, $490, $300, and so on and so forth. So right now, the same thing, if I come here right now to Upwork and I search for social media manager. So literally this is social media manager, and it's actually loading up, and as you can see here, this is $5 per hour, $12 per hour, $25 per hour, $9, $6, $10 per hour, $25 per hour, $8 per hour, $9 per hour, $10 per hour, and so on and so forth. That's actually how you can actually make money online, and that's actually literally how you can literally make money on social media jobs. Now literally what social media jobs is actually taking up on jobs, social media jobs, as I said earlier, or account management, and you just like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and a whole lot of social media accounts. Just literally they're going to be giving you guys either it depends on what you guys actually want, or what you guys actually agree to do on this actual job, and you can make a whole lot of money for yourself, depending on what this person, or depending on what the client wants from you. Literally any kind of job that has to do with your social media accounts. Literally that's it. So guys, I would actually be jumping up to the third one on my list. Let's search for it on Fiverr together. So the third one on my list is actually being a video editor. So right now, this is video editor. Right now, I've searched for it, and as you can see here, starting point of this guy is actually $100, $45, $20, $225, $50, $60, $25, $1,300. Guys, this is a professional video editor. $500, $650, $50, $20, $30, $10, so on, so forth. Now, these are a whole lot of jobs that you can actually do here and make money for yourself. Literally, let's jump into I don't even need to say what's a video editor or who a video editor is. You guys know video editor is literally the person that actually edits videos for a client, and that's all. So literally, let's go to freelancer.com, which is actually Upwork.com, and I will search for video editor. Now it's actually loading up right now, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you're new here. Literally, as you can see here, this is $40 per hour profile, $45 per hour, $35 per hour, $111 per hour, and a whole lot of jobs for you to actually do for yourself. So guys, if you literally love what I do here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, like, and also share the video. That's it, guys. Comment down in the comment section, tell me what you think about the video, and then tell me what the job you can actually do and the one you're actually doing personally right now, and I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Peace.